Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by picking the environment and confirming prerequisites, the operating system and the app where you'll type the symbol. On Windows, make sure numlock is on and you have a numeric keypad. On Mac, open the character viewer. Once done, position the cursor in your document. This immediate setup matters because input methods differ by OS, so make sure you're in the right place before you use alt codes, menu entries, or the emoji/character palette. Now perform the core actions for each system. On Windows, hold Alt and type 0169 on the numeric keypad to insert copyright. If Alt plus 0169 fails, try Alt plus 169. On Mac OS, press Option plus G or open the character viewer and search copyright to paste. On Linux, use compose key sequences like compose then O then C or insert Unicode U plus 00A9. For web, type the HTML entity and #169 or and copy, so browsers render the symbol reliably. These methods differ but achieve the same result. Finally, confirm the symbol displays correctly and save your document. If you see a missing glyph, make sure the chosen font supports copyright and switch fonts if needed. If keyboard codes don't work, open Character Map or Character Viewer, copy copyright, and paste it where you need it. If nothing inserts, check numlock, keyboard layout, and input language settings. Changing layouts can remap Option/Alt behavior. If you still have trouble, restart the app or OS and try.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.